So, bale, ano tayo ngayon today is, bale, kasi, hindi ako mag-edit. Full para sa ID ko, yun na lang natitira kasi. So, hindi pala rin na papasukin ng guard kasi may tendency kasi dito daw sila magpapasok dahil nga the schedule ng enrollment today. Ito lang natitira ko, guys. Hindi na ako masyado magtatagal sa get-ready with me. Nakakita niyo na lang ako na maganda, okay? Transition in 3, 2, 1. Wow! Sakay ng school para magpa-school ID. Ito yung ating OOTD for today. School girl! Skirt, strip skirt. Medyo high socks. Okay, so let's go! Let's go na ako ng oras na, guys. Hindi ko alam kung papapasukin ako. Sakto, umuulan na naman dito sa Tondo. So, we're going home to Cavite after. Bye-bye. Wow! Perfect nung eyeliner ko. Okay guys, change plan. Since kasi wala palang pasok yung brother ko. So, uwi na lang ako diretso ng Cavite. Hindi na ako pupunta ng school kasi para kunin sana yung ID ko. Anyways, I'll have to go. Already fix everything here. And let's go to Cavite. Maulan guys. So, always be safe. Bye. By the way guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my social media accounts guys for more videos and daily updates. And thank you so much for watching this vlog. See you, Mommy Cakes. Bye. Ciao.